I am gonna be creating this look right here for festive season. Now festive season is just around the corner and it is approaching, and I'm getting super excited because I love festivals. I love Diwali, I love the Shera, I just love the feel of it. And festive season ke साथ साथ wedding season is also coming, so you can definitely wear this look in weddings and in festivals and wherever you want basically. And definitely you can tone down the color because this is a very bold lipper for sure. If you want to apply a nude color with this look, you can also do that. If you want to apply a little muted color, you can definitely change the lipper according to your liking. So this is what I have created today. Last video में मैंने bronzy सा किया था, इस वीडियो में मैंने थोड़ा सा rose gold किया because these colors are very trending right now and I really love these colors. So if you have any video suggestion, if you have any colors in your mind, if you want a gold makeup look, a pink makeup look, purple, whichever color you want me to create, I'm gonna make a video on that for you guys. Just let me know in the comment section below that as well. So before starting this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you like this. I know you guys are gonna love this video, so just give it a big thumbs up. Or if you have any video suggestions, just let me know in the comment section below that as well. And also make sure to follow me on my Instagram and on my TikTok account for some fun videos. And now let's quickly get started with this video. So to start this makeup off, first of all I'm gonna apply this 2-3 drops of this Nykaa's cold pressed oil. This is in the variant Rose Hip and this is a very good facial oil. It is gonna help me to get that festive glow. So I'm gonna take 2 to 3 drops. These are 4-5 drops. So I'm gonna take like this much amount and I'm gonna spread it on my hands. I'm gonna press it on my skin. It will make my skin very healthy, plump, and it will give that festive glow on my face, you know. Even though I have these acne on my face, but we're gonna cover that, so that's okay. And let it sit on my skin for 2-3 minutes. Okay, next step I'm gonna apply this packed pore primer. Because I have pore issues, I'm gonna apply this primer on my nose area and my cheek area because I have pores there. And ये स्किन को स्मूथ आउट कर देगा और मेरा जो फाउंडेशन एप्लीकेशन होगा वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली अप्लाई होगा. So I'm gonna take this much amount of the primer. I'm gonna spread it all across my face and concentrating more on my nose. वो जो है वो मेरा problem area है. And then जो भी left over है, I'm just gonna run it on my face. So now I'm picking up this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is in the shade Ivory Light Ivory. It is perfect for my skin tone and it matches my skin tone perfectly. Perfect for my skin tone matching. एक ही बात है. So I'm gonna spot conceal my acne and acne spots. And then I'm gonna blend it with my finger क्योंकि finger जो होगा वो product को absorb नहीं करेगा and it will just melt the product on my skin. So I'm just gonna take this concealer and spot conceal this problem area. And now for that festive glow, I'm gonna apply this Nykaa Skin Genius foundation, which is super dewy, super beautiful. It has a very beautiful sheen to it and it just makes your skin look very healthy. So I'm gonna apply this foundation on my face. Okay, so taking this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Neutralizer, I'm gonna highlight my face with this. So now I'm quickly gonna set my face with this sugar as nude as it gets powder before it starts creasing. So I'm gonna take a little bit of product and start setting my face. So I'm quickly gonna fill in my eyebrows with this Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 eyebrow and eyeliner thingy. So on the cap it has this powder and niche it has a gel liner. So I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows with the powder side. So I'm quickly gonna fill in my eyebrows off camera and I'll be right back. So my eyebrows are filled in. Now I'm gonna pick up this Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in the shade number 03. As you can see, this is the shade 03 and this is a very beautiful warm tone palette, and these are the color layout. So I'm quickly gonna pick up this transition color and I'm gonna deposit it in my crease area. First I'm gonna stamp all the color on my outer V and then I'm gonna take it slowly into my crease. Then I'm gonna blend it very nicely. So whatever is left on my brush, I'm just gonna run it through my lower lash line. I'm gonna take this pointed brush and I'm gonna pick up this darker color, this one, and I'm gonna deposit on my outer V area and a little bit on my crease. So I'm just gonna take this pointed end and gonna stick it into my crease area. So first I'm gonna deposit on my outer V. Like this, and then I'm gonna stick the pointed end and so now I'm gonna build up my crease with this darker color. So it's just gonna add that depth into my crease. It's like this. So again I'm gonna repeat the same step to kind of intensify that darkness. I'm gonna take this Swiss Beauty liquid eyeshadow and it is a very pretty eyeshadow. This is a liquid eyeshadow and this is how it looks like. Such a pretty gorgeous bronzy color. It has a little bit of glitter reflects to it as well, and this is really pretty. So I'm gonna apply it on my eyelid जहाँ पे मैंने color नहीं apply किया. As you can see on this area, I'm just gonna deposit this color. So I'm gonna take the darker color जो कि मैंने अपने outer V area पे apply किया था, and then I'm gonna run it through my lower lash line. I'm not applying it all the way inwards. मैं पूरा अंदर तक नहीं लगा रही हूँ. मैं just अपनी half lower lash line के ऊपर इस color को deposit करूँगी. So this is how it should look like. Now I'm gonna repeat the same on my other eye and finish off this look with some false eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Okay you guys, so eyelashes are on and it definitely makes a huge difference to wear eyelashes. Now 2 steps are left and my eye makeup is done. First off, I'm gonna take this Maybelline Lasting Drama pencil. This is a very beautiful bronzy shade. As you can see, this is a very pretty bronzy colorful color. So I'm gonna apply this on my lower waterline. The pencil has been applied. Now I'm gonna highlight my inner corners, and for that I'm gonna pick up the same eyeshadow palette, Swiss Beauty wali, and I'm gonna apply this color in my inner corners. I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. And also I'm gonna apply a little bit of it on my eyebrows arch. And I'm gonna pick up this Makeup Revolution highlighter which is broken, and I am using this as it is a tutor और मैं इसको ऐसे use कर रही हूँ because this is a very pretty highlighter. So I'm gonna apply this on my face now. So first of all, I'm gonna apply this on the tip and the bridge of my nose. Okay, next time I'm gonna take this Color by Cheek Illusion blush, and this is in the shade Rosy Peach. And as the name suggests, this is a very pretty color. So I'm gonna flush my cheeks with this color. Alright, now I'm gonna pick up this 7 Seas Love Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade 106. It's a very pretty berry color, and I am feeling dark colors right now. I don't know why. So because it's a festive season and dark colors look beautiful in festivals, so I'm just gonna apply this on my lips. Okay, I am loving this color. This is a very beautiful bold color and this is looking gorgeous. So I'm just gonna change my outfit and I'll be right back. So this is the final look, you guys, and I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram and on my TikTok account, and also just let me know in the comment section below what you guys want me to create next. Now, if you all know, festive season is coming and Diwali is coming, the Share is coming, and all these beautiful festivals are just approaching. So if you have any video suggestion, if you have any colors in your mind, if you want a gold makeup look, a pink makeup look, purple, whichever color you want me to create, I'm gonna make a video on that for you guys. Just let me know in the comment section below that as well, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.